Hi everyone, welcome to my channel for yarn. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a simple granny square. First we are making a slip knot like this. Then we make 6 chains. Yarn over, pull through. Insert your hook into chain 1, yarn over, pull through, then make 3 chains. We make 2 double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2, and we make second double crochet. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. After 2 double crochet, we make 3 chains. Now we make 3 double crochet. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. After 3 double crochet, we make again 3 chains. Then we repeat 3 double crochet and 3 chains for twice. Now we make a slip knot. Insert your hook here, yarn over and pull through 2. Again we make 3 chains and 1 chain again. We're making 3 double crochet right here. Yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. And we make 3 chains and again 3 double crochet here. We make a chain. In each corner we're making 3 double crochet and 3 chain and again 3 double crochet and 1 chain. In the last of this row we're making 2 double crochet and a slip knot right here. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now in row 3, make 3 chains and 2 double crochet here. And we make 1 chain, and here we make 3 double crochet. In each corner we're making 3 double crochet and chain 3 and again 3 double crochet and 1 chain like this, as you can see. In center we're making 3 double crochet and 1 chain. I'll meet you at the end of this row. And we make a slip knot right here. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. In row 4 we make 3 chains and 1 chain again, and we're making 3 double crochet here, like row 3, and after 3 double crochet we make a chain. In each corner we make 3 double crochet, and after 3 double crochet 3 chains, and again 3 double crochet and chain 1. In each center we make 3 double crochet, and after 3 double crochet we're making a chain. I'll meet you at the end of this row. Okay, we make 2 double crochet here and a slip knot right here. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. You can make more rows like this, and you can make a blanket for yourself with this pattern. I hope you like this.